and welcome to the Tyler's Tools video channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the sponge on the Berta Grout cleaning machine and also give you an idea on your sponge selection for whatever type of grouting you're doing. The sponge you see here on the machine, this is called the Havana. This is a general purpose sponge, can be used for cementitious grout, things like flow point and normal grouts for tiling on floors. Can be used on porcelain pavers, cobbled sets, anything that's a cementitious product. The next one is a little bit more delicate. This is a Sweepex sponge. It's a very absorbent sponge, and this is designed for materials such as polished porcelain, which would be used internally, and polished granite or marble. A very soft sponge, and it won't damage the tiles. And the last one is the cellulose sponge. This is for use on epoxy, usually a two-part epoxy that's used for internal tiling on floors. So those are your choices. Make sure you get the right one for the materials that you're going to grout, and in the next part of the video I'll show you how to change the sponge. On the side of the machine you'll see these two handled cotter pins. This one is the drive, so it's hexagonal, and the one on the other side is just a straight round pin. You simply pull it out, turn the machine round, flick the other one, pull that out, and the sponge lifts out. So you'll see the hexagonal drive and the straight pin. On the end of the sponge you'll see the hex drive, and on the other end you'll see the straight pin. The hexagonal pin on the side goes into the hexagonal slot there, and it meets the hexagonal pin on the inside. So make sure that the sponge is aligned properly so that all of the holes and the pin are all lined up correctly. Once the pin's lined up, just knock it in for the last part and then she's in. Okay, to sum up, make sure that you use the correct sponge for the material that you're grouting, periodically change the water, and always use the anti-foam liquid.